part of the book is this?
Cover. Back cover.
Oh my gosh, you guys are so smart.
Spine.
Oh my gosh. What's this about spine do?
Hold it together.
Who drew the pictures?
Actor.
Who drew it?
Actor.
Illustrator. Who wrote the words?
Actor.
The author. Very good. You guys are getting smarter and smarter every day.
This is my name. This H.
Yes. This book says,
Is H?
don't push the button.
Why?
Well, we'll find out why.
It's a button.
Let me see if we can find that button. She says not to push. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Okay? What rule is there? How many rules? One. And what is that rule? Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. Don't push it, okay? It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if I did it. What do you think will happen if I push the button? Should I push it?
Yeah.
No! You guys are supposed to say no! Oh my goodness! Should I push it?
No. Yes.
No, we can't. We mustn't push it, huh?
Yeah.
No. Should I push it?
Yeah.
No! What if it turns me into a rat? You think?
No.
Let me see. Psst. No one is looking. You should give that button one little push. Okay, here we go. Nobody's looking at us. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Oh, now I'm yellow! What color is he? Yellow! Push it again. I don't want to be yellow. I want to push it. You guys have to sit down. Because you guys can't cross the red line because of what? Coronavirus. Because Miss Rosa's not wearing her mask because you guys are 6 feet away. All right, let's push it because I don't want to be yellow. Ready? Everybody count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm what? I'm yellow and polka dots. Oh, I don't want to be polka dots. Let's push it 2 times, okay? Help me count. 1, 2. Now there's 2 of me. Push it a bunch of times. How many should we push it? 10 times? Everybody has to help me count. Ready? Let's everybody help me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see what happened. Oh! What happened? I pushed it lots of times and it made a lot of him. Oh my gosh. Shake the book and get rid of all the extra Larrys. Let me shake it. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, let's see what happened to Larry. Almost gone. A little more. Look at some of them disappear. Let's shake it again. Ready? Help me shake. Shake, shake, shake. Let's shake it sideways, 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 sideways. Let's see what happened. Okay. There we go. It says to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. I don't want to touch his stomach. Let me see. Ew, should I touch it?
Yeah.
What about coronavirus? What if he gives me coronavirus? Oh, let me see. Let me get my finger with this so I don't touch him, okay? Because we can't touch our friends. Ready? I better put my mask on because I got to get close to him. Scratch, scratch. Hey, you guys hear him laughing? Scratch, 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 scratch. I got to take my mask off. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again.
I want to push
He was laughing when I was tickling him. But that was was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Ready? What do we say at the end of the
It's
book?
a big